everyone, my name is DONITA and today I'm going to share with you how to design a simple Instagram reel. I think it was Nimma. I'm not sure who it was, but one of my friends recommended this video. So how to design a Instagram reel using Canva. So here it is. Finally, it's been months since I haven't since I uploaded a video, but hopefully I get this out as soon as possible. It's obviously the 12th of August now, so hopefully I can upload this today. But anyway, so let's first start off by looking for the Instagram template, Instagram reel template. Simply set it up. And here we go, press that. Let's start from scratch, because why not? Let's use our creative juices. No need to use a template. I'm pretty sure everyone has creativity, and yeah, I just personally recommend to start from scratch. So let's name this Instagram reel. So it's a very basic one. So I'm going to do, I should have some footage here. So I'm going to do a morning routine. I've actually already done a video like this, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do like a morning routine type of reel for Instagram. So let's first get a grid. Here you go, press that. And then I'm going to get some text. So, oops. Okay, so I'm going to write here, morning routine, oops, as a design. Oops, design. Okay, so let's reduce that a bit. Actually, put it like that. I'm not really a big fan of this font, so I'm going to make it a bit thinner, so use Mont. I really like this font style. I'm going to make this bold, just for it to stand out, and I'm going to reduce the spacing. That should be fine, not too cramped. So like I said before, this is a very basic reel. It's not that super fancy, but it's good to just get started. So that's my Instagram handle. And yeah, I won't go too hard on branding, but that's good enough. A basic Instagram reel template. So I'm gonna put my video on. Get my. So this is gonna be the first page of the reel, more like the first scene of the reel. This is my laptop, so I'm gonna mute it. And obviously we can't really see this text, so I'm gonna get it. So as you can see, we can't really see this text, so I'm gonna get a fading effect. So like here we go. Use this one. Switch it around to 90 degrees. Then here we go. I'll use my branding colors, which is lavender color, and then I'll actually reduce it a bit and put it back because we can't really see this, so I'm going to make that bold. Yeah, so that should be fine. That's decent for the front page. Let's go with the next one. So the next page, I'm just going to get rid of this, the fading, that, and I'm going to probably not have the hashtag here. Or no hashtag, tag. But anyway, let's go to uploads. I'm gonna put the. Okay, so let's so I'm on uploads right now. I'm gonna put my next scene, which is me here. This is me being awkward. And I'm gonna duplicate that page and put my coffee cup. Then copy it again. Put me walking to the living room, and then me going to the actual living room, and then incense sticks, and then my laptop. I might actually put my candle here. Actually, obviously with with design, you keep on changing your mind regularly, but yeah, I think that should be fine and ready to go. Let me check if everything's muted. Okay, so everything's muted, so I'm gonna get a song. I'm wearing earphones right now, so it's gonna be very loud, but you guys probably won't hear it. Okay, let's get something basic. I'm just gonna reduce my volume because it's gonna kill my ears. Okay, so this is a decent song. It's like a morning type of song. That's what I think. But anyway, I think we're good to go. This is my very simple Instagram reel. Gonna download it to MP4. And then yeah, that's technically it, guys. That's a very basic Instagram reel. Um, Obviously, your first one is not gonna be the best. Not trying to be a jerk, but like that's with my work too. Like when I first started, it wasn't the best. But obviously, uh, the more you do Instagram Reels, the more you will improve in terms of design, your content, everything. So literally start. Don't try to be perfect in the first go, because that's totally impossible. Because the more experience you have, the more perfect you become. So once you just get started, you guys got this. So yeah, if you need any help with anything, design tutorials, business advice, etc., hit me up. Um, yeah, feel free to email me if you need any design feedback or help. And also, if you have any video suggestions, let me know too. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a productive week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.